So we call it a financial wellness system.
Yeah.
But we started by helping people invest in the future by rounding up spare change, and that spare change automatically going into a portfolio of ETFs for you. So that's the beginning.
So they make a purchase with a credit card, debit card, or whatever.
Whatever.
If it's a $2.75, you take that 25 cents, round up to the $3, and that money is applied to some sort of an investment vehicle you put them in.
Right into a portfolio of ETFs. Then you can add a recurring investment by the day, week, or month. So like $5 a day on top of that. You can also automatically open a retirement account. There's lots of different ways to automatically save and invest, and we make it really easy to do that.
And you know what really strikes me? You've got $1.2 billion in assets under management right now.
Basically in spare change.
2 million investment accounts. So that speaks to how small, the small change adds up at this point, right?
Yeah. But if you think about, so the average American, so 70% of Americans don't have a $1,000 emergency fund. So you think about the statistics about what's going on. So we're really encouraging people to invest, save and invest small amounts, and to say, look, when you do this, it adds up over time. And it really does. It starts to add up. And by using the product, you see the balance adding up, and I think you get some added confidence and sense of hope for the future.
So people pay a monthly fee, is it?
Yeah.
To be part of this. How does that work? I mean, if every single day I've got 25 cents here, 75 cents there, usually, on a platform like a Charles Schwab or TD Ameritrade, there's a commission fee.
Yeah.
There's a cost per trade. So how does that all work on Acorns?
Yeah, so the reason, by the way, we call it a financial wellness system is that for $1 a month, you get automated investing. You get a full earning platform. So we partnered with 350 brands from Nike to Airbnb to Amazon, and they invest in you when you shop as an Acorns customer. They invest in your Acorns account when you shop. We also have a whole financial literacy product, which is one of the things we're building together. So we educate you. So we have all these different things that go into the product. So for $1 a month, it's actually quite good value. And then there's tiers on top of that. So $2 a month, you get a retirement account also.
But it's not per transaction or anything like that?
No, it's a monthly subscription.
So one thing that's interesting to me is that your idea was so good that everyone's copied it. So Bank of America and all the big banks have said, know what, this is fabulous. We're going to do it for our customers too. So is this also looking for your next act to say we started with a revolutionary, a brilliant concept, but we also now have to build that into a subscription service to get those people to stick with us and provide them a suite of services going forward?
Yeah, so the financial wellness system concept is that we will get into all the different areas of your financial life. We just rolled out Acorns Spend, which is the first checking account with a debit card that saves and invests for you. All of these different products, but all with the purpose of helping you save and invest. So we don't just get into business areas to get into them, we get into them with the express purpose of helping Americans.
You have other big investors, BlackRock, the biggest money manager in the land. They created some of the ETFs that your customers can invest in. PayPal, they've set up a mechanism to allow some of their customers to invest in you. What do we bring to the table? What is it that's going to happen now in this? And in fact, we should point out NBCUniversal is now your largest shareholder.
That's
so
true.
What will this partnership look like for our viewers?
So if you go back in time, education has been a core part of our product from the beginning. We consider it a product line, right? So making education even better, making it multimedia, bringing the power of CNBC and CNBC's capabilities to our customers, to America's up and coming, we think is just going to elevate everything we're doing.
The latest round of funding, which NBCUniversal participated in, valued your company now at $860 million. How big can you become? How big is this market that you're going after that other companies now are going after, especially in the robo-advisor area?
Yeah, so we want 100 million everyday Americans saving and investing every day. That's the vision. We want to see that happen. We think that's necessary for the country for that to happen.
Is an IPO in the cards?
I'd hope so.
So that's the goal eventually to
I
IPO.
hope so, yeah.
I'm thinking about 100 million times 12, 1.2. How much annual revenue would that be if you reach that goal?
I don't know off the top of my head, but it would be nice. It would be nice.
A pretty big number.
Yeah, it would be nice.
And it starts at $1 a month, but I'm sure, like you said, you want to kind of push people up as well for $2 a month for,
You know, we were talking about that this morning. You made an interesting point that if you're saying to people, give us $50 a month, they're less likely to invest than if you say to them, give me $5 a day.
Yeah.
Right?
So $150 a month, they're less likely to participate than if you suggest $5 a day.
Right.
And actually, it's 4 times more likely that they participate at $5 a day. So,
you tricked them into it then.
It's not a trick. I think it's a healthy
Right?
nudge. It's to say, like, how do you get people doing the right kind of things? By the way, the business model. So it's subscription, we have brand partnerships, and then we have interchange revenue from our debit card. So there's 3 different revenue streams.